Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Girls Sewing Kits is probably one of the most rewarding gifts you can give a creative young girl, fostering patience, precision, and self-expression through a fun and valuable skill. In this video, we will review several top-rated sewing kits designed specifically for girls aged 8 to 12, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall value to help you choose the perfect kit to ignite a passion for sewing. Number 5. Alex Craft's My First Sewing Kit. It's the perfect beginner sewing kit for kids and adults. It's colorful, fun, and teaches you the basics of sewing. Everything you need is right here, no extra trips to the store. Even a cute tomato pincushion is included. It includes easy-to-follow instructions. You'll learn essential skills like threading a needle and creating different stitches. Make a coin pouch, 3 adorable stuffed animals, and even a notebook cover with a pencil holder. So many creative options. The durable case keeps everything organized and ready to go. Take it anywhere and start sewing anytime. What we like? It has everything you need to get started, with easy-to-follow instructions and adorable patterns. If you are looking for a fun and engaging way to learn to sew, this is the perfect kit for you. It's ideal for young crafters who want to learn basic sewing skills in a playful way. What people say. The box it comes in is a little cardboard suitcase, brightly colored and patterned, with bright red stitching sewing it together. It has a typical suitcase-type handle made of metal and plastic that folds down flush against the box for easy storage, and those nifty metal clasps that one finds on tackle boxes or boxes for art supplies. It is easy for little people to open and close. The box is sturdy enough to keep using for the sewing kit, as long as you don't sit on it or anything. It contains the following: a paperback booklet explaining the projects along with sewing basics, a package of stuffing, a packet of felt of various colors, cut into various shapes, such as animals, as well as rectangles, a packet of a few scraps of quilting cotton in bright colors and patterns, a sewing kit containing a cheap plastic thimble, a paper measuring tape, a pair of inexpensive scissors, a toy tomato pincushion, a wheel of large head multicolor pins, a few sewing needles, many standard skeins of DMC embroidery floss in bright colors, a packet of ribbons and trims. The animals are adorable and the kit is good quality and great way to start a sewing kit to keep for years to come. The only downside is that for younger child, an adult must be heavily involved, so if you are planning to buy this for someone to keep her child busy, you need to know that. My daughter did some simple straight stitching, loved doing the stuffing and of course wanted to choose all of the accessorizing. But I did the bulk of the sewing and especially sewing on the little details, for example the dog's tongue and ear. Number 4. Woodland Animals Sewing Kit. It's more than just a craft, it's a chance for kids to learn hand sewing and express their creativity. This gender-neutral kit is perfect for sparking imagination in children aged 7 to 12. Everything you need is right here. 5 pre-cut animal projects, needles, thread, and even a handy carrying case. It's ready for portable fun. With easy-to-follow instructions and enough supplies for multiple children, it's ideal for playdates or birthday parties. It's a hit with kids. This kit isn't just fun, it helps children develop valuable skills like sewing, problem solving, and boosts their confidence. It's a rewarding experience. Kids love hands-on activities. This kit provides engaging projects that teach them about themselves, others, and the world around them. Watch them create and learn. Sew 5 adorable woodland creatures. This kit makes learning to sew fun and engaging for kids. They'll love creating their own stuffed animals. What we like? It features charming woodland animals and teaches valuable hand sewing skills. If you're looking for a creative and educational gift, this kit is perfect for sparking a child's imagination and developing their fine motor skills. It's great for kids who love cute animals and want to learn a new craft. What people say. It comes with the materials to make 5 woodland animals, a fox, a chickadee, an owl, a rabbit, and a bear, as well as the tools to make them minus the scissors. He was very impressed that it had pins and a pincushion. The majority of the set is very well made, nice felt, nice embroidery thread, nice materials for the animals in general. The box itself is also well made. The cutouts of the animals are precisely made, high quality needles, pins, even the scissors are great. This is not an independent activity for this age, but the directions make it enjoyable for both the adult and the child. Even the pin cushions were well made. Number 3. Hapinest Weaving Loom Kit. It includes everything you need to get started: a metal loom, colorful loops, hooks, and easy-to-follow instructions. It's perfect for beginners. With this kit, you can design and weave 6 completely custom pot holders. Mix and match colors to create your own unique styles. It's ideal for parties or playdates. Multiple children can weave their own creations, making it a great group activity. This is a fantastic gift for birthdays or holidays. It encourages creativity and helps develop valuable crafting skills. Just follow the simple instructions to create colorful patterns. It's a fun and creative project for kids of all skill levels. What we like. This kit lets you create colorful pot holders using a weaving loom. If you like bright colors and want a fun craft to do with friends, this is a great choice. It's perfect for birthday parties or playdates, allowing multiple children to create their own unique pot holders. What people say. Needed a craft for a 9-year-old grandchild who loves crafting, but needed one without much supervision. Purchased this as I had as a youngster. Once package was opened, grandchild so excited. Even got her much younger cousin involved. Product is sturdy and well designed. Grandchild loves this loom. Very sturdy and comes with lots of loops. This is my second buy and I'm very pleased with the durability of these colorful and uniform size weaving loops. I'm making a rug out of pot holders and I love it. Number 2. CiyvoLyeen Woodland Animals Kit. It's the ultimate crafting kit for kids. With 12 adorable woodland animal patterns, it's perfect for sparking imagination and creativity. Even if your child has never sewn before, they'll easily create their own plush animals. The detailed instructions make it simple and fun for beginners. This kit has everything your child needs: pre-cut felt, accessories, thread, needles, scissors, stuffing, and easy-to-follow instructions. Minimal adult supervision is needed. It makes a fantastic gift for birthdays or holidays. It's creative, fun, and educational, making it a thoughtful present for any child. Once finished, the plush animals can be used as toys, decorations, or even brooches. Let your child's imagination run wild with the possibilities. This kit isn't just fun, it's also educational. It helps develop fine motor skills, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. It includes a wide variety of adorable woodland animal patterns and all the necessary materials. If you want a kit that offers a lot of variety and detailed instructions, this one is perfect. It's ideal for children who enjoy creating cute and cuddly creatures. What people say. There are 12 complete kits. 5 to 6 needles, but otherwise each kit is packaged separately. Very cute results, animals as pictured in product photo. Really enjoyed the sewing kit. The animals are fun to make and so cute. Everything you need is included and the animals are very easy to stitch. This is a great project that keeps my 5 and 8-year-olds' interest for hours, with only minimal help from an adult to tie knots, etc. Well worth it. Number 1. Mini Sewing Machine Kit. It's more than just a sewing machine, it's a complete kit designed for both kids and adults. Everything you need to start your sewing journey is included. It's small and easy to use, perfect for beginners. The simple design makes learning to sew fun and accessible. This machine offers adjustable speed and dual power options for greater control and convenience. You can easily adjust it to your preferred pace. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel or small spaces. Take it with you wherever your creativity takes you. The kit includes 122 pieces, a mini sewing machine, fabric, bobbins, needles, thread, and even a helpful guidebook. You'll have everything you need to start sewing right away. The included book provides 10 fun and easy sewing projects with clear instructions and patterns. It's perfect for beginners of all ages. What we like. This kit includes a real, easy-to-use sewing machine and a wide range of supplies. If you want to learn to sew using a real machine, this kit is a great option. The included book provides patterns and instructions for various projects, making it suitable for both kids and adults. What people say. My 11-year-old loves it and has been sewing anything and everything she can get her hands on. Have had zero issues with it and still sewing 10 months later. Great beginner sewing machine. Purchased this for my 11-year-old. She loves it and uses it often. The sewing action is not smooth or quiet like higher-end machines. The tension came set excessively tight, but I adjusted it. The thread cutter on the machine works. It is a bit awkwardly placed, but works. My 7-year-old was super excited and able to sew some very basic things. It does not move too fast for her either, once she got a few minutes of practice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.